It started here. A legacy rooted in purpose, with license to aspire.
Here's where it all began.
Call me Bill. Remember, I don't like to be called Coach.
I've often said, if there's no Bill Bowerman, there's no me.
How do you feel? You're number one now. All I can say is, I think I'm going to be pretty hard to stop.
We have this sense of engagement in history. When they come here, they know it. They feel it.
The roar from the crowd, it was almost like it was just going straight through the stadium.
Hollow ground to historic Hayward Field.
Here comes Devin Allen. Allen takes it by a meter and a half.
Oregon must win the race to win the title.
And the one question that I would actually ask the Hayward faithful here is, how does it feel to be a part of history?
Success, measured not in spite of where you come from, but precisely because of it.
We're part of history, but we're always trying to make more history.
In this place, we have pursued greatness.
National Medal of Science to Geraldine Richmond.
Accelerating at every turn.
We have made a commitment to do things differently, to move the university forward at an unprecedented pace.
Together, we have witnessed history. Together, we will make history.
So now we're back to a redesign. This is the new design.
I can get pretty emotional about this place too. I mean, after all, I was born here.
On your mark.
Off the ball for 100 to go.
Down the backstretch for the final time. A new collegiate record.
Hayward Field, an enduring legacy.